Biovian, your CDMO partner for the production of AAV, adenovirus, recombinant proteins, and plasmid DNA. Finns are among the happiest people in the world. This stems from their high-quality education, strong work ethics, mutual trust, and solid responsibility. Finns also strive to find a job in which they'll thrive. We at Biovian embrace all these characteristics. Therefore, it's not a surprise that we focus on providing manufacturing happiness. So, what does this mean for you? Since 2003, we have provided CDMO excellence in biopharmaceutical manufacturing. We partner with biotech companies and provide services focusing on viral vectors, recombinant proteins, and plasmid DNA. Ultimately, these products are filled aseptically in vials and released for in-human use. We operate in inspected and certified facilities and adhere to CGMP. Our working culture is based on togetherness. Many of our scientists have been with us since day one, and we constantly take on board new talents with fresh ideas. Additionally, we work with you as if we were colleagues. We offer you comprehensive one-stop shop development and manufacturing services, which span from cell banks, process development, scale-up batch production, and analytical validation to the manufacturing of drug substances and drug products. Moreover, our experts support you in taking your molecules through preclinical and clinical trials. All these aspects produce a positive cycle of manufacturing happiness. We keep you and our employees happy, and thereby feel rewarded when patients around the world benefit from your innovations. Are you ready to explore manufacturing happiness with us? Get to know us at www.biovian.com.